Guess who got a new computer?
You did.
I got a new computer. We got a new computer.
Tinker.
Say hey.
Look at his hat.
Say hey, honey. Yeah, hi. Yes, hi. Daddy bought us a new computer.
He look like a doctor.
Daddy bought us a new computer.
Show our future doctor so he could look back at this video.
Look at our doctor. Yes, 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 yes. So y'all, I got a new computer. Here it is. Here it is. It is the iMac 24-inch computer. Brand spanking new, straight in the box. Okay? Do y'all see how beautiful this is? Look at this. Just look. Wow. 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 But let me get into the whole specs. Un momento. So hey y'all, it's Camille coming back to you with another video. I am excited because I am doing an unboxing of my new iMac that my husband bought me. Yeah, so I just got the new iMac and I got the yellow one. We were in there and we were trying to decide which ones we wanted. Originally, I wanted the green one because green is my favorite color. However, I was gonna have to go to another mall to get that. I was gonna have to go to Somerset Mall when we were already at 12 Oaks Mall, and they only had this color in stock, which is between the green, the purple, and the yellow. And I really like the yellow. The yellow was my favorite. However, I wanted in the 512 gigabyte, but they were all out of stock. That one was $16.99 and this one was $14.99 plus tax and all that. So didn't have the green one, didn't have the purple one. That one's like sold out everywhere. And so we got the yellow one in the 256 gigabyte. Okay, so I have the receipt right here. We got the receipt. We got the receipt. You know, y'all can see that. Oh, zoom in. There we go. So we got the receipt. The 24-inch yellow iMac with 4.5K Retina display. And we also purchased the Apple Care for the iMac, which was $169. That was for 3 years. So it expires December 2024. And he gave us $100 off for the student discount because I am a student. I'm a student. No, so I got the discount. So the total came up to $1,558 with tax. It came up to $1,641.95. Yeah, so that's how much we paid. And yeah, that's the computer. I want y'all to, I don't even know how to open this. My husband was supposed to help me. Oh, okay. So there is a strip that you actually pull off. How the back looks. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm pulling this strip off. And gotta be careful with this too. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Oh. It actually has the arrow. So you pull out that way. Oh, why is it upside down? I guess that's how it's supposed to come. Okay, so I'm gonna be careful with this. This is kind of dangerous, actually. And might be my husband. Oh, he went outside. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, and so can y'all see this? So here is the actual computer. I feel like I'm gonna drop it, so I'm gonna. Oh, yeah, this is the struggle. The struggle is real. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but this is the keyboard in here, so I'm gonna open that up. And it comes with a keyboard, beautiful yellow keyboard. Oh my god. Oh, and it has a white kind of bottom. So I have the white keyboard. The yellow keyboard. It comes with the beautiful yellow mouse. Beautiful. Apple is really the GOAT for these colors, these different colors on this computer. Has a cord. Oh, this is the power cord. Then we have the actual drive, and it has the for the power cord, and the actual cord to connect is yellow. That is so cute. We also have a cord to connect. I think this is to like connect to your phone. So that comes in that. And I believe that is it. I believe that's it. So I'm gonna put this box. I'm gonna put this box up. Ooh. Here is this beautiful. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Beautiful, beautiful iMac. And I'm gonna peel. This is so satisfying. Look, y'all. Hello. Hello. OMG. OMG. Yeah. Look how pretty that is. And I'm actually going to keep that for when we move. So this is this beautiful computer that I'll be editing all of my YouTube content on. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yes. So this is the computer. This is how it looks from the back. And it also has something on it. I might leave this one on, but y'all see that color? That's the color. I'm gonna leave this one on here for right now. My husband probably gonna take it off, but I'm gonna leave it on. And this is what we got, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it was between getting this computer. Let me zoom out a little bit. It was between getting this computer, the iMac, or getting the MacBook Pro. So the MacBook Pro, the one we wanted, the 14-inch, would have been $2,000. We ended up paying about $1,700 for the iMac. So I mean, and we got Apple Care, so it's a little cheaper. So this was probably came up $400 or $500 cheaper than getting the MacBook Pro, and it's bigger. So this is 27-inch. The MacBook Pro that we wanted was 14 inches. So yeah, y'all, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Literally like a piece of art. And I can't wait to put this in our new home when we get our new home. This is gonna be so cute in my beauty room or in our office. So excited. I'm so excited to be able to create content for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. If you are torn between getting the Pro laptop or the Mac, I would say go with the iMac if you don't need something to like travel with. I always edit at home, so this is perfect for me. So yeah, and we're gonna eventually get that MacBook Pro laptop as well. But this is amazing for now. Thank you to my husband for investing in me. Yeah, y'all, I'm just excited. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys on the next video.